Hi, everyone. My name is Tawana Johnson, and I am an HR analytics and management major. This is I believe, my fourth or fifth class here at American U. Currently, I am a contractor for Reynolds Consumer Product, where I work in the talent acquisitions team as an HR coordinator. What skills and experience and superpower do I have? I have about 15 years worth of corporate experience, new to the HR field. I've always known that I wanted to be in HR. It's just that the corporate positions that I did have in the past fell in training, which was always outside of HR. So I was very fortunate to have landed a role where I am working in HR because I'm now getting a degree in HR. My superpowers, I would say that I'm very, very detailed and organized. Usually, I'm the go to for everybody because they know that if they put me in charge of something, put me in charge of an event or a task, that is going to get done. It's going to get done properly. And there's going to, not be any questions or room for interpretation of what's going on because I'm very, very detailed and organized. When I'm not working or when I'm not being a busy mom of four, I don't like to do anything. I know people are a little surprised when I say that, but because I do so much, my interests and hobbies are pretty much just hanging out, staying low key, and enjoying life from the comforts of my couch. So that's what I like to do in my spare time. Occasionally, I do hang out with family and friends and attend, social events here and there. But for the most part, I just like to stay low key. How do I expect I might use my organizational change skills? I'm already organized, I'm already detailed. And I just think that being organized and staying organized and instilling change within the corporate world is a must. Um, it helps streamline the process, it helps makes the workflow a lot better, and it just makes for a better work environment. I can't think of any recent changes that have happened at work just because I am a contractor. I am still new to the organization. So I can't really speak on anything like that as of yet. I do live in Evanston, Illinois. I'm on Central Standard time zone. If you are familiar with if you're familiar with Northwestern Wildcats, Northwestern University, that is where Evanston is located. Or I should say, Northwestern University is located in Evanston. I was born and raised here, have lived here my entire life. Um, I'm a single mom of four. I have a 26-year-old, a 22-year-old, a 17-year-old, and a 13-year-old. So with work and kids and everyday life, I am busy. However, I'm definitely looking forward to learning and working with all of you over the next 8 weeks. Bye.